Welcome to the review of Transformers Cyberverse Ratchet. Okay, as you can see here, his color scheme is basically red and white, and he has a weapon over here which is bendable. It's a soft plastic, and you can see that there are about three magnetic holes in a vehicle mode. You can basically put it actually four points. You can put it this way, this angle, or you can put it this way as well. Except for this one, this is just a screw on top of it. And on the vehicle mode, you can see that he rolls pretty well. No issues on that. He has no plastic wheels. He has no rubber wheels made of plastic, not painted as well. As this is his ambulance rescue mode, which is not painted very accurately, but it's better than the deluxe Hasbro class. I guess Takara will do a better job of that. In front, the front portion of the vehicle mode is painted gray. Here is just a splash of white. The windscreen is basically black in color for the side screen as well, mirrors. And the back and the top just plain gray. And underneath the vehicle, you can see his head, his the Autobot logo, and his legs. And on here is his siren in dark red. And yes, for his transformation is relatively simple. All you need to do is move this out, fold this down, pull out the feet, just like that. Same goes for the other leg. And you have his lower body fully transformed. And just for the hands, just spread this part out, and here you have Ratchet in his robot mode. Okay, and for his head, it's not rotatable at all. For his hands, you can rotate it, but it's always hindered by this piece here, or the heavy shoulder. And the legs, you can bend it this way at the upper thigh area and knee. You can't swivel the feet. Okay, this is basically the articulation that this figure has. And as for the finger, you can't actually bend it. It's actually molded onto the door. Okay, what you can do right now is to let Ratchet hold his weapon, just like slotting this inside. And here you have Ratchet with his weapon. And in order for him to stand, you must bend his leg slightly this way for him to stand properly, because of the design and transformation of the feet over here. See, now he stands perfectly well. And too bad Hasbro didn't do much of a good job actually to make sure that the chest piece is painted with some detailed colors like gray. But of course you do see the Autobot logo on his right chest here. Sorry, his right shoulder. Overall, this is a level 1 transformation figure. Okay, right now I'll be waiting for the release of the deluxe class. You can actually put the weapon here as well. And on the other hand, very simple transformation. And his hand is always on the ball joint as well, as you can see here. Okay, that's basically the review of Transformers Prime Cyberverse Ratchet. There's Ratchet beside RC, also from the Cyberverse line of Transformers Prime. As you can see, his RC is slightly taller because of the wingspan. Here's the side-to-side comparison, and basically this is the size comparison with his colleague from the and here is how to transform back Ratchet to vehicle mode. Put this up, slide this upward, yeah, you see a pack here. Pack this in to the hole, hole. Pack it in. Fold this up, put this down, fold this up, slide this back in, and there's also a pack here which will fit nicely in. And there you have it, Ratchet Cyberverse class back in vehicle mode. And here you can put his weapon in front, and here you have him side by side with Bulkhead, another counterpart of his from the Prime series in vehicle mode. As you can see that the scale difference, actually Ratchet is supposed to be a bit bigger, or to scale with Bulkhead. You see the size comparison here. Here you have another size comparison with another Cyberverse figure from the DOTM series, which is a Soundwave. It's actually looks like the same size, just a bit of difference, slightly longer. And here is Reject from the Deluxe Class series. This is basically the size comparison. And here is Ratchet with some of the Legends class that I have. Here's some of course, excluding this guy. You can see some size comparisons here.